And I consume me one day, and all the back in Ghana.
Igbo currency controller, SK1010. Only my good friend, Nase Obron. Finally, you must reach Ghana. Daddy, I say remain loyal. Anything will go happen for you, make it go happen for my landlord. You are highly welcome, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to recognize the presence of Odeni Bondibu Efuna, the founder, Ichio Kunanagro, Mona Papo. Sir, you are highly welcome. And also, the second founder, I'm talking about Ago Chomo. And also, I want to recognize the secretary, SS Kaj. And I want to recognize SS Dr. Kenny Okalaku. We are highly welcome, Daddy, the ruler of Okalaku Asian Kingdom. Daddy, you are highly welcome, sir. I want to thank you so very much. Thank you, please. Let's work according to the instructions. Please, very important. Be here. Let's work you can't block others. According to the instructions. Please, only the kings don't block anybody. All right. No. You can't enter this. Back. Please back. Go back. Go and find yourself. Everybody think I can hear.
I know you are doing the work for the chief. I came with the chief and you are pushing me out. You come with the chief. You know they're coming.
Yes.